Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. Russ is here again. He's been here many times, and this time, right now, is with us with the song called Right Now. And yes, this is a week old or so. This song, he released some things last week, and I thought, yes, we have to bring it on into Gordon Guitar, so let's do it together. Capo high up on the 8th fret. Why? Easiest chords. That's the first reason. Also to get the notes right and have that easy to build into the strumming and all that good stuff. So 8 capo, that's the absolute best scenario for us. Let's go into the 4 chords needed. So we're gonna start with C first. You have 3rd on A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is the C major 7, so what you do here is just to lift off the 1st fret B string and get that open. Everything else is the same, so that gives us 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord is the F major 7, so that will be 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the 4th and final chord is the G6 chord. So looks like the C major, but you just move up everything one string. So that gives us 3rd E, 2nd A, and then open D, open G, open B, and open E. All right, so there you have the chord progression through the entire song: C, C major, F major, and G6. Now let's go into the melody and go chord by chord, starting with the first chord, C of course. It goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play 3rd fret A string together with open high E, 1st B, open G, and open high E. And then you have a long pause there. So, and then comes the next chord. Now you have the C major, same pattern here. You just lift off that 1st fret to get it open on B string. You're gonna play. So that is to play 3rd fret A together with open high E, then open B, open G, and open high E. Then comes the F major 7. I think the best scenario for us is to do it like this. So you're gonna play 3rd fret D string together with 3rd B, and when you play that, you hammer on to get the 5th B there. So the same note you have on the open E string as the 5th B, but I think it sounds better and smoother with this hammer-on style. But you could also play 3rd D and 3rd B together, and then immediately play the open high E. A little bit easier, but yeah, it's your choice. 2 ways of handling that, and that's the only thing I'm gonna play for F major. And then you have the G6, and it goes like this. And that is to play 3rd E string together with open B. And now there you have some option here. You're gonna play 3rd D string, but you can also play the open D string here actually, because if you really listen for it, there's yeah, it's not that prominent that it really is 3rd D string. I'm pretty much sure that it is, but you could go with the open D string. It's much easier to play and perform. So it's up to you to play either the 3rd D or open D here, because you're gonna alternate that 3rd or open D with the melody. So you're gonna play 3rd E string in the bass together with open B to start with. And then comes that note. I play now the open D string, and then open B, and then open D, 1st B, open D, and 3rd B. So you see, it's a little bit easier to play the open than the 3rd D string, but the real thing here is actually to play the 3rd D. So it's up to you. If you want to make it easier and convenient to play the melody with what we're gonna play later on, the strumming, then go for open D. Okay, so okay, so there you have the melody. I'm gonna play through for you. It goes like this. All right, now let's go into the strumming, and you go back to the first chord C and play strumming that goes like this. So the first half is down, down, clap, down. So down, down, clap, down, a short pause, and then comes down, clap, down. And that is one string around. So down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down. You're going to play one of these per chord. So C1, C major 1, F major 1, and G6 1, like this. And now you can combine the melody we just learned with the strumming pattern here and try to build it together. It's like no rules here. You have to do it in your own way. You have the tools, and it could sound something like this. So play around with it, guys. Russ, Right Now, great song and very guitar friendly actually. So yeah, give it a try, and until next time, play tuned.